4, Lesson 9 Part 2, Lesson 9 Part 1, not Part 4. What were you? Lesson 10? What were you? 6. I think I saw Lesson 6. Somewhere around here. I could see when I saw Lesson 6 somewhere. That's weird. Oh wait, what am I doing? I can just fly. I'm being so stupid. Oh, wait a minute. This is Lesson 6. Here we go. Atoms are made of electrons, neutrons, and protons. An element has the same number of protons and neutrons, but the number of neutrons can vary. These different forms with different amounts of neutrons are called isotopes. Use the element constructor to make isotopes of hydrogen and Hello, everybody, and welcome to. This is weird. Hold on. There we go. Karen was acting weird. Start the chakra. But anyway, today is our first video on Minecraft Education Edition. Let me, share sound. Now, we do have a little bit of a problem, though. So, in fact, I will show you guys. So, unfortunately, I only have 21.2 gigabytes left of free space on this computer. And since the line is now red, that means that there is now a space left. And it has to do with the fact that Doom just did an update. Yeah, that's very helpful. I can't make this a long video. I'm trying not to make it a long. Let's get right into it. So today, there are different things. There are subject kits, monthly build challenges, biome world, how to play. Oh my god, there's a lot. We're gonna do subject kits. That's the first thing we're doing. So there's different things. There's different things. There's science, math, computer science, equity and inclusion, history and culture, social and emotional, art and design, digital citizenship, language arts, and esports. There's a lot. We're gonna do science. There's chemistry, biology, we are the Rangers, extinction, biodiversity crisis, and additional lessons. Let's do history. Oh my god, there's a lot. There's atomic structures and isotopes, characterizing elements, chemistry tutorial, circulatory system, element scavenger hunt, exploring chemistry safely. Oh, Mallcraft, properties of matter, structures, models, molecules, and what is the world made of. We're gonna do atomic structures and isotopes. Alright, let's do it. Why did that make the sound of an Xbox? It's like the sound of an Xbox 360. That's so weird. That sounded just made.
Press T or return to open tab.
What? So, that weird sound was like, it's the exact same sound the Xbox makes. Sorry, I'm recording a video. It's the exact same sound Xbox makes. The Xbox makes whenever you unlock an achievement. Okay, so I can't go there. That's probably red stuff. What are you? Let's move on. You don't need a lab to do chemistry. Chemical reactions happen all around you all the time. Can you find some examples of chemical reactions in Minecraft? Explore the biomes and bring back the materials and objects you could use to demonstrate some chemistry. Then use this build space to show the chemistry in action. Okay. Yeah. Go back. Okay, let's go do something. Oh, wait. This was lesson 1. Okay. So, what do we do? Is there anything we can do? Because I don't see anything to do. This is very strange. Pickaxes, axes, for lesson 5. Okay, so I'm very curious. So what am I supposed to do? That's what I'm getting. Hold on. Where are you? Oh, keyboard and oh, toggle perspective speed. How do you sprint? Unassigned. What type of sprint be? What type of sprint? Control. Alright. There we go, that's much better. Ooh! What is that thing over there? Huh? That's so cool. So, what is that? What actually do something? I don't know. That cool. They're really cool. Yo, over here. Yo, what is that? Is that like oxygen or something? Can I go inside it? I can. You are lesson 2. It's very important to be careful and work safely in a chemistry lab. Chemicals should be stored in appropriate places, and the lab needs to be clean and tidy. It looks like someone has left this lab in a bit of a mess. It is a real hazard. Please, can you help me make it a safe place to work? Maybe. Track me? Oh, shoot. I broke it. Whoops. Break it. Well, get the creative? Oh, I am. I didn't even realize this whole time I was doing I'm supposed to tidy up. Aren't you creepy? How the heck am I supposed to tidy up? So I can't mine through, so I can't get through that. Oh, I can just break the door. I don't even have to do anything. Nice. Are you lesson 3? Yes, you are. What do you think? Now the labs are safe, it's time to make some chemicals. Start by collecting elements from the chemical stores. See what happens when you put 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atoms in a compound created. Then add another oxygen. There are lots more compounds to be made. Mix some soap and potassium iodide. Then put all 3 chemicals together in your crafting table. Trust me, you'll like what you'll like what you see. Okay, it's not that crafting anymore. What am I supposed to do exactly? I wasn't paying attention. Probably not check out. You are lesson 4. I know lesson 5 is out there. I didn't read it though. We don't just make new chemicals in our labs, we can also look at natural materials and find out what they are made of. For this lesson, you'll need to hunt down some natural materials. Once you have done that, bring them into the lab and put them in the material reducers. Is this all this thing is? That is? Like, is this all this is? Oh, dang, this place is so much bigger than I thought it would be. Does that mean... Oh, there's a lot more lesson 2. Oh, that's not good. Well, aren't we gonna be here for a while? Hopefully not. Yo, bro, you know I can just bust this out, right? Let me out of here. Oh wait, I can just do this. Alright, whatever side. Because I believe lesson 5 is... right here. Yeah, it's lesson 5. Scientists use lots of ways to represent chemicals. They use common names, chemical names, they could write formula, or they build models of molecules. For example, water could be called dihydrogen monoxide or H2O. Look around the landscape. Can you find the model of water and some other chemical models? Then come back to the build spaces and create your own molecular model. Okay. Oh my god, I think that's oxygen actually. Off in the distance there. Yeah, off in the distance. I think that's oxygen. So back in the building, because there's other lessons. Oh wait, hold on. Or your lesson 7. Yeah, lesson 6 was the let's go back and meet. What am I doing? Okay, so we have a bunch of lessons here. This is lesson 8, that's lesson 4, lesson 9 part 2, lesson 9 part 1, not lesson 4. What are you, lesson 10? Ooh, lesson 6. That's lesson 6. Somewhere around here. I could swear I saw lesson 6 somewhere. That's weird. Oh wait, what am I doing? I can just fly. I'm being so stupid. Oh wait a minute. This is lesson 6. Here we go. Atoms are made of electrons, neutrons, and protons. An element has the same number of protons and neutrons, but the number of neutrons can vary. These different forms with different amounts of neutrons are called isotopes. Use the element constructor to make isotopes of hydrogen and carbon. What do you notice about the number of protons in an element and its atomic number? Okie dokie, that's lesson 6. I believe lesson 7. Oh yeah, lesson 7 is outside. Hey, come down. Lesson 7 is right over here. Alright, lesson 7. I bet you've seen the periodic table. How about you build one? Or you could be more imaginative and come up with a new way to arrange the elements based on any of the elements' characteristics, like melting points, or their color, or what they are used for. Take a look at some of the links for inspiration. Periodic table. Take Google. Okay, this is a lot of stuff. This is a link for the periodic table. Oh my lord. Yes, this is the periodic table. A lot of stuff. Okay, I'm just going to close that. Map of elements. Look at that next. Map of elements. Okay. Oh, this is not secure. Whatever. Oh my word. Okay. Yeah, we don't have time to read all this. And then there's alternative. I swear, every time. That sounds like when you unlock an achievement on the Xbox. I don't know why it makes that noise. Oh, this is Wikipedia. Alright, back to lesson 7. Lesson 8 is the rest of the lessons are then we'll go lesson 8. Have you tried making glow sticks here in the lab? You'll need 2 hydrogen peroxide, 6 polysilanes. Now for those of you who can pronounce these scientific words, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing these correctly. And some luminol. Then put them together in the lab table. Then it's time to do some experiments in your world. I think your teacher has some glow sticks, and you are going to see what happens when you warm them up into that glow stick. There's a link for glow sticks. Okay. What is this gonna take me? Oh, geez. I'm sorry that we don't have time to read all this, because I don't want to make this a long video, because I don't have a lot of room. Okay, that's lesson 8. Do lesson 9, part 1. Do science starts with an observation, I noticed, which leads to a question, I wonder. Then a hypothesis, I think that. Then an experiment to check the hypothesis, I'll test my idea. The experiment may produce a new observation, and so on. At some point, the scientists may form a conclusion, I discovered, that they wish to report to other people. Then anyone else can join in. Okay. Then there's lesson 9, part 2. Now design your own experiment. explore the world, making observations about it, then ask a question, e.g., how does gravity work? Which chemical elements react together? Form a hypothesis and design experiments to test it. Record your observations, experiments, and conclusion. Well, I am recording right now. Report your results to your class and see if you can repeat your class made experiment. Okay then. Then over here we have, I believe this is gonna be the last lesson. Yeah, this is gonna be hopefully it. Lesson 10, part 1. It's been great having you here. We just have one more thing for you to do. We are sure you have noticed that there are all sorts of ways that this world differs from yours, and lots of the chemistry is different as well. For example, did you know that in your world TNT can explode underwater, but it doesn't in Minecraft? Actually, TNT does explode underwater, it just doesn't blow up anything. Actually, no, I have to take that back. The thing's lying. TNT does blow up stuff underwater. You just never recognize that underwater. Lesson 10, part 2. But here you can add sodium to TNT to make it explode underwater. Why do you think the game designers made it that way? Before you go do some more experiments, and then research how they compare to your world. Maybe you could start by making some colored torches and then doing flame tests in a real lab. What is going to be out here? Hello? Oh my god. Okay, so this is the back of the building. What does the top of this place look like? Oh my goodness. Okay, so there, I think this is supposed to be like TNT or something. I think the W button got stuck down for something. Okay. Oh, I can't break it. Sucks. It looks like it's made out of wool, but I can't break it apparently. Okay, I think this is supposed to be like TNT or something. I really have no idea. Is there anything in the jungle? It doesn't look like it. Okay. There's the desert biome. Alright, we're gonna go this thing over here and maybe I'll see if we can find anything else. So I believe I'm mistaken. Game, stop it. I could be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty positive that this is supposed to be oxygen. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong though. I would have to look it up, and I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay. What are you doing here? Well done, you found the water molecule. Oh, this is water? I thought this was oxygen. That's water, apparently. Wait, is there a person at the other one as well? Let's find out. Yeah, let's actually go with it. What is this? This is something. Oh, this is carbon dioxide. So I got both of them wrong. So the white and red one is not, that's not oxygen, that's water, and this is actually carbon dioxide. I completely got that wrong. Sorry guys, but yeah. Anyway, that's it. You like my skin? Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Maybe tomorrow we'll, do the next thing, because the next thing is, characterizing elements. That's the next thing. That's the next thing to do. But anyway, Anyway, see you guys next time. Thank you. Have anything good? Anything good for yours? Are you okay? Her stomach is making gurgly noises. I have no idea why. Okay. Well, she says I really want mommy to come home, and I would really like some food. So, um, anyway, see you guys next time.